Hello and welcome back to Loop into AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install OpenClaw or CloudBot or MoltBot or whatever they call it today. Uh, I'm going to show you how you can install it on your own hosting or VPS. So you don't need to buy a Mac Mini for it and link it with one of the cheapest AI models out there. It's called Kimi from Moonshot. All right, let's get started. First, you need to create an account on your hostinger. Just go there and create an account and go to VPS and get a new VPS plan for you. Even the cheapest plan will work for this. Okay, let me go back. I already have it. Yeah, there is different plans right here, but for me, I just got a cheap $4 a month plan. All right, so when you get it and set up it, you just click manage here, right? The manage button, and go to this tab. It's called Docker Manager. Go to catalog and select OpenClaw. Yeah, that's right. Deploy it, save this token, copy it and paste it somewhere safe. You can enter your Anthropic, OpenAI, Gemini, XAI, or WhatsApp number or Telegram bot token. They they handle everything from here, so we don't need to stuck in the installation and setup process. Everything is getting handled by Hostinger itself. So just get your API keys from for Anthropic. Go to Anthropic API platform. Yeah, this one. Platform.cloud.com. For OpenAI, it's platform.openai.com. For for Gemini, it's AI Studio. This one. And get API key. Yeah, and you can create your API key from here. For me, I will use this one. It's called Moonshot AI. Go to platform.moonshot.ai and go to your API keys here and create a new API key. Okay, because Moonshot is not supported from here, from Hostinger's panel, I will show you how you can configure it inside the container. We're going to use some terminal commands, but don't worry about it. It's an easy process. Let's click deploy. All right, perfect. It's now getting deployed. Let's wait for it and see. I already have one OpenClaw AI agent. That's the advantage using uh, a VPS. You can deploy as many OpenClaws you want on a cheap $4 a month VPS plan. Even if you see, if you haven't saved your gateway token, you just copy it from here and use it. I will show you when to use it and where. All right, it's now created. Let's copy the token from here. Let's click open. Yeah, they will ask us to paste our token here. Click paste and log in. All right, it's saying click never. It's saying that we didn't set up any API key. No, no problem. Just continue. All right, that's it. So here is your OpenClaw Gateway dashboard. You can go here. Here is your gateway token if you ever lost it. The channels. The, if you want to connect WhatsApp, just show the QR code and scan it with your WhatsApp scanner. There are multiple channels. There's Telegram. There is, yeah, here is the QR code that you need to scan in order to link your WhatsApp with OpenClaw. There's Telegram. There is, there's a lot of, let me, how can I collapse this? Okay, no problem. There is Discord, Google Chat. There is a bunch of channels. I prefer using Telegram. It's the best one to use. You can create as many Telegram bots as you want and link them with your AI agents. Okay, let's go to the terminal part. Open your terminal here. All right, if they ever ask you to enter your login credentials, just go here to your VPS overview. You enter, it's always root as username. They will ask you for username and password. And for the password, change it from here and use it. All right, let's go and see. Let's clear this. Click enter Docker PS. All right, we have now two OpenClaws. This one I already set up before, and this is the new one. What we need to do is copy the container ID, just select it and copy it, and write this command docker exec it and paste your ID here and write bash. All right, now we are inside the container. Let's clear this and just type OpenClaw on board and click enter. It will show the OpenClaw gateway. It will show the OpenClaw onboarding process. Yeah, as you see, click yes, click kickstart. All right, use existing values, and here is the part where we want to set our Kimi K2.5. Click enter. All right, I purchased this API key from moonshot.ai. There is, I guess, moonshot.cn. I will select the moonshot.ai. Click enter and click paste API key, enter. Great. Let's now go to our moonshot platform and create an API key. Let's name it something. I will name it OpenClaw 2 project default and okay. All right, here is my API key. I will just copy it and go back to our terminal page and paste it from here. Paste. Nice. I will select moonshot Kimi K2.5, enter. Nice. Here is the channels if you want to link extra channels, for example, Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord, Google, Slack, etc. I will skip for now. Here are the skills. You can select your skills from here. So skills are simply the tools that OpenClaw is going to use. For example, this one, Gog skill, it's for Google Workspace CLI, for Gmail, Calendar, Drive, contacts, etc. So you can simply control your Gmail and calendar and Drive just from OpenClaw. I, w- I will make another video for that if you want to link your Google Workspace with OpenClaw. I will skip for now. Skip, click no, 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 yeah, and select those and click enter. Let's wait for it to save our information. All right, it's saved. Now I will go back to my server terminal because if you remember, we are now inside the container. Let's just click Control D and you will exit to your VPS terminal. Okay, now we need to restart that container. Let's write again docker ps to show our running containers and copy the ID, copy it, and write docker restart and paste that ID here and click enter. All right, it's restarted. Now it should use our moonshot. Let's refresh. Let's get that token, gateway token. Go to your Docker Manager projects and copy the gateway token from here and simply paste it here. Login. All right, continue without AI. Let's send hello. All right, it's now working. It's using our moonshot because moonshot is cheaper than Anthropic and OpenAI, etc. So if your budget is low, you can use moonshot to spin up your OpenClaw. All right, that's it. This is just a short video demonstrating how you can set up your OpenClaw directly from Hostinger without needing to get a Mac Mini. If you want more information like how to link your messaging apps like Telegram or WhatsApp, or if you want to configure custom skills, etc., just let me know in the comment section and I will create another video for it. All right, have a good one.